Daily stretches for optimal health. Did you know that professional sprinters occasionally warm up for an hour before a race that only lasts approximately 10 seconds? In order to maintain their muscles healthy, many athletes routinely execute dynamic stretches during their warm up and static stretches during their cool down. Even if you are not athletic, there are several advantages to adding stretches in your daily regimen. Stretching can not only prevent injuries, but it can also potentially slow down the loss of mobility that comes with aging and boost circulation. Therefore, there are advantages of full body stretching and how to create a stretching practice that targets all of your major muscle groups, and we will share them in this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe if you are still new to our YouTube channel and want to learn more about how to improve your health though. Please don't forget to hit the like button and leave your thoughts in the comment section below if you found this video to be a helpful resource for stretching. Let's start by talking about the benefits of everyday stretching. Regular stretching can improve both your physical and emotional well-being. Some of the main advantages include lowering your risk of joint injury or preventing muscle injuries, enhancing your range of motion, promoting proper body posture, enhancing blood circulation in your body, and last but not the least, encouraging feelings of relaxation, especially if you are exhausted from work or stressed out with life. Who wouldn't like that? How about we start stretching now? If you are still learning how to do it, don't worry, we are here to show you the basics. Let us begin from the top of our body and work our way down to our feet. First, let's start by performing the neck circles. Begin by bringing your chin to your chest. Next, turn your head to the left until the right side of your neck starts to feel stretched. Once you have held it for 30 to 60 seconds, switch to the opposite side. The best time to do this is after finishing your desk work or whenever your neck feels tight. Furthermore, rest assured that it is typical if one side of your neck feels stiffer than the other. When this happens, consider holding your stretch on the side that feels tighter for a little bit longer. Chest stretch is the second action to take. Your shoulders, biceps, and chest muscles will all be stretched as a result of this. This is something you can do at any time, especially after prolonged sitting. To perform this stretch, you must first stand in an open doorway with your forearms vertically resting on the door frame. Then, forward lean until your chest begins to extend. Afterward, maintain the stretch for 30 seconds. At the least, do things the other way around. The best course of action is to quit right away if your shoulder hurts. The upper back stretch is the third stretching exercise to perform. This will stretch the muscles in your neck, shoulders, and back. Additionally, it is advisable to perform after a long period of sitting or if your back feels tense. In order to perform this, you must first sit in a chair with your back straight, your abs tight, and your ankles parallel to your knees. After then, turn your body to the right by pressing your left hand against the right side of the chair and hold that position for 30 seconds. Then, proceed to the other side. Always extend both sides evenly and don't push yourself above your comfort level. At this point, we have reached the lower body portions. The glute stretch goes in at number 4. Although you may do this stretch at any time of the day, it is recommended to do it after jogging or right before bed. When you complete this glute stretch, your hips and lower body muscles will also be stretched. To begin this stretch, you must initially lie on your back with your legs raised and your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Next, cross your right knee over your left ankle. The final step is to grip your right leg above or behind your knee. Pull it toward your face and wait until the opposite hip stretches. Repeat it on the other side after holding it for 30 seconds. But be careful, you can stop the stretch if you start to experience any pain in your knees, hips, or elsewhere. The hamstring stretch is the fifth one at this stage. The greatest times to do this are just after a workout, right before bed, or when your hamstrings are tight. Additionally, anytime you perform this stretch, your hamstring and lower back muscles will also be stretched. Start by sitting down on a cushioned surface with one leg out in front of you. Next, press the inner thigh of your straight leg with the foot on the other side. Then, keeping your back straight, lunge forward and reach for your toes. Likewise, hold your extended leg for 30 seconds when you feel a stretch at the back of it. Finally, repeat the same procedures on the opposite side. Remember to try resting your hands on the floor or your leg if you are unable to touch your toes. The stretching is almost over. Keep going to watch to find out how to stretch your entire body. The standing quadriceps stretch is number 6 on the list. If your thighs feel tight after running or at any other time, try this. Always aim for a mild stretch because doing so too much can make your muscles stiffer. To perform this stretch, start by standing straight up and pulling your right foot toward your butt while keeping it in place with your right hand. Second, maintain the stretch for 30 seconds while keeping your pelvis tucked under your hips and your leg pointed downward. Repeat it on the opposite side after that. The seventh item is the calf stretch, which is not the most difficult. This is something you can do at any time, just like the prior ones. The greatest time to do this is after a run or when your calves are tight, since it helps stretch your calves' muscles. Let's get straight into the stretch. Put one foot in front of the other while standing with your hands on your chair back or a wall. Second, keep your rear leg straight and both feet flat on the ground while slightly bending your front knee. Third, bend your front knee and lean toward the chair or wall while maintaining a straight back knee and flat back foot. Continue doing it until you notice a light stretch in your rear leg's calf. Finally, maintain the stretch for almost 30 seconds. Of course, after you are comfortable with how you feel, repeat it on the opposite side. But remember, if you have discomfort in your Achilles tendon which is where your calf connects to your ankle, sees what you are doing right away. Stretching on a regular basis can actually increase the range of motion, lower the risk of injury, increase circulation, and enhance athletic performance. These stretches, which focus on each major muscle group, will undoubtedly be helpful if you are wanting to develop a full body stretching practice. If you want more stretches, there are many more you can add to your routine. This list is a fantastic place to start, especially if you are new to stretching. Now, keep in mind that you should consult your physical therapist or a trained personal trainer if you have an injury and want to know what kind of stretches would be most effective for you. We really appreciate you watching. Which of them do you prefer? Never be reluctant to share it with us in the comment section below. Also, if you have tried these stretches and discovered that doing so enhanced your health, please share your experiences. To ensure that you don't miss our upcoming video, which will undoubtedly guide you in being more healthy and happy in life, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the following video.